Winter Wonderland. There's my car. Here's how high it is. Right there. Right now I'm outside without a coat because I'm really hot, but I'm really freezing. So as you can see, it's pretty frickin' high. Boy, I love snow. And then here's the amount that they plowed into everybody's driveway. That's my hip, obviously. Sound like Boston. Yep. I think I saw a total of 5 cars on the road today. That's including the a-hole plow, that guy that wouldn't come over and give me a hand. So, screw him. He lost that of 50 or whatever bucks he was asking for. So, lovely.